Because in Braja, Krishna is tasting sweet pastimes as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lila Purushottam. And he appeared here to simply relish these sweet mellows. And these sweet exchanges with the Lord in the most intimate settings of love and confidentiality. There's no room for any scent of Aishvarya, power and grandeur with his companions, his gopas and gopis. So this duty of killing demons and lightening the burden of the earth is not Lila Purushottam's duty, but this is Vasudeva Krishna, or this is Vishnu's duty, or Balaram Sankarshan's duty. And Balaram as Sankarshan, he does that work, does that seva. Of course, the demons, Pralambasura and Dhenukasura, Krishna could have easily killed them himself, but he wants to glorify his brother. So he arranged to expound his glories throughout the world by allowing him to destroy these most powerful demons, Pralambasura and Dhenukasura, very easily. And it's so easy, that's confirmed in the Shukadeva Goswami, how effortlessly and easily Balaram vanquished these most powerful and inconceivably strong demons. 10:15:36. Naitat chitre bhagavati yainanta jagadishvare hota protamidam yashmims tantushvanga yatapata. O Parikshit, it was not a miracle for the all-powerful Balaram to kill Dhenukasura. After all, he is Jagadishvara. He's the Lord in control of the entire universe, what to speak of one jiva within that universe named Dhenukasura. He is the second form of Bhagavan, Krishna, the original personality of Godhead. And Balaram is the root manifestation, or the mool of Sankarshan. Basically, Balaram and Krishna are non-different, as